laundry? What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. Look at this.
Okay.
We are not waiting any longer. We are taking this on the street. I don't care.
The beast is coming out. Finally coming out. The beast is coming out.
I've waited way too long.
We've waited way too long.
We do have the parts, so I'm just like, hold on, we're about to throw on the parts and take this thing for a spin. It's like, nah, I gotta take it for a spin right now.
Without the parts.
Right now.
Hey, we need maximum airflow.
So we just gotta zip tie all these wires because we don't want the same thing to happen.
Rip it off and then redo everything again.
Yeah, remember we were soldering all this, like everything pretty much.
Hey, a couple zip ties never hurt.
Yeah. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Audi video. So in today's video we are going to start throwing all the parts on, but before we start doing that, we are going to take it for a spin, and we're probably going to give it a nice wash because as you can see it just looks hideous. Make sure it looks bad. Like, look, come here for a second. Check this out. I don't want to do it in the paint, but
Ooh.
that's crazy. It's like the color of the car is different because of the dust. Underneath it's actually pink.
It's a matte gray color right now. Hey, make sure when you're driving it, give it a good amount of gas just to see if all the hoses are connected.
Oh, we're gonna floor it,
Just
trust
to see
me.
if all the hoses are connected. So if we see something spraying,
Smoking on
look at all
fire.
these zip ties. Alright, yo, let's get it. Yeah, everybody hop in the car.
The whole squad?
Hey, whole squad. Hey, you
Oh,
going, bro? You
because
going?
if I'm going out, we're all going out.
Hey, Dutch Bros run?
No airbag. We do have an airbag in the car, by the way. It finally came, not the second one. The first one's actually still stuck in customs. So we ordered a second one. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's hear this baby purr.
Dude, did you hear that backfire?
Oh my goodness, you do it, dude.
Did you hear that backfire? Dude, did you hear those turbos whistling? Yeah, that backfire and those turbos whistling. Alright guys, well we are going to park this thing back into the shop and we'll just catch you in the shop. Alright guys, we are back into the shop, so you can see all those parts right there. Now the fun part begins. We gotta throw on the fenders, the hood, the bumper, and the headlights. And we gotta make sure all the gaps, right? All the gaps are like perfectly everywhere. That's the fun part. You gotta play around for a while to make sure everything lines perfectly.
Hey, good thing we have the Gap Master right here.
Alright guys, so we did as much as we could today. Our battery is actually dying, so we gotta put you guys on charge. But we got the main stuff put on. We got the main gaps somewhat set up. We do have to mess around with that a little bit more once we get the bumper on, you know, all that good stuff. But this is actually gonna be it for tonight. We'll catch you guys tomorrow with a freshly charged battery and more energy. What is up guys, welcome back. I did come in early in the morning, put the battery on charge. I messed around with the headlights just a little bit just to kind of see exactly, you know, just mucking it up a little bit. I think they're good for now, but once we do throw the bumper on, we'll play around with them just a little bit more. But yeah.
How long did it take to play with the headlights?
I think it took me about like an hour and a half to 2 hours, like something like that. I mean, they're really tricky. You have to get every little thing.
So the
perfect,
thing is, the headlights bolts. I don't know if you guys could see it. They all have adjusters on it, so you have to go up and down.
It's kind of like the Lambo. You just have to adjust the headlights pretty much.
They have to be good with the fender, with the hood, and with the bumper.
Well, yeah, but I mean, we kind of got it like somewhat. You see, it's right here with the fender, right here with the fender. It's somewhat the same. We're about to actually put the bumper together, throw the front bumper on, then we'll maybe mess around with the headlights a little bit more. But I'm pretty confident with the headlights the way they are right now. I also did put together the inside of the hood completely, and yeah, I got that done. And then what we didn't show you guys yesterday is all the gaps, you know.
Look at that, damn, crazy.
Got all the
Look how
gaps
smooth
nice and
it goes
even.
from the fender to the door, other side as well.
Yeah, I mean it was kind of hard to play around with, but I mean it all just takes time and patience pretty much.
All right, let's not kill any time. Let's throw the bumper onto the car and pretty much see how it looks.
Yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, our time lapse did cut out as soon as we picked up the bumper to put it on. But guys, check this out, man. This thing looks nice.
Yo, this thing looks sick.
Yeah,
What do you think?
Dude, I like
We got like little things that we're missing. So we're missing that bracket right there, which we ordered it. We are missing that little, how's that, those little turn signal light? Reflective light. And also, guys, do not forget that we are getting an R7 grill on this thing. This grill actually is cracked. It's not the right one. Yeah, and it's not the right way. We kind of modified our camera in there, kind of.
That's just temporarily. We put it on to make sure that everything's working. All the lights turn off. Where is the gas cap?
It's actually in my car.
Is it?
Yeah, so go grab it real quick. So guys, yeah, we modified the camera to this grill temporarily because we did order a new grill. It's the R7 grill. It's like the honeycomb, so it's gonna match the seats. It's gonna look pretty cool. This grill is broken, but for now we just threw on this grill just so we can kind of drive the car around home or whatever we need to. I think we need to go to alignment, and we need to actually change one axle, which is right here, Lane. So we gotta switch that up because that one during like the crash actually, I don't know, busted or something. It started leaking, so we gotta switch that out. And one more thing that we need to do is the driver's airbag, which is in there. So we did receive the airbag. We just gotta install the airbag, and then pretty much the the fender liners and windshield. Let's not forget about the windshield that Roman broke. But yeah, windshield. We gotta order windshield also, like I mentioned, the one that Roman broke. And that is it. This car is pretty much done, and we got some crazy things coming for this car. We actually decided to sell it, but instead of selling it to the public, we actually sold it to one of our guys here at the shop. That's probably gonna be the next video. And we got really crazy plans for this car, right? Yes. Crazy color change, like really, like I don't think nobody has that. Don't worry about that right now.
This is how you clean up at the end of the day.
Yeah. But yeah, so crazy exhaust system on this. It already sounds nice, but it's going to be a crazy ass exhaust system on this car. Crazy color and some other cool things that we're not going to say right now, but smash the subscribe button and you guys will check it out in the future what we're going to do to this car. It's not that long. It's not going to be that long away, so.
Damn, it's raining.
It just started raining out of nowhere, and it's sunny.
Donuts. Gotta love the California weather.
We got everybody testing out this car.
Airbag light is still on, but the adaptive cruise control light turned off. We're gonna have to check that out, or
we gotta reprogram it.
Yeah, we gotta reprogram the computer.
Yeah. Damn, that thing is crazy. You know what else is crazy? That rainbow over there. Check that out. That is sick. I don't know what's going on today. It's like sunny, raining, rainbow, cloudy, everything. It's pretty bipolar.
Alright guys, this right here is the finishing touch of all of our cars.
Guys, this license plate right here, it goes back all the way to probably 2010, somewhere around there. My older brother is the one that designed the logo a long time ago. So that's actually our wrapping company that we have, One Wrap Cars, but we put that plate almost on every car we own.
Alright guys, this is actually not the last video of this S7. We got one more video coming where we do have the finishing touches, side marker, grille, windshield, detailing inside and outside, alignment. Gotta get alignment, the axle. We're gonna put the axle in on the alignment machine and the fender liners. But this is actually gonna be it for today's video. And if you guys are new to this channel, please like, share, and smash that subscribe button. Peace.